Welcome to Cooking with Jamie Holiday Edition. Today I'll be showing you how to make a really easy do-it-yourself colored sugar so you won't have to go out and pay $3 or more for a small bottle of store-bought colored sugar to decorate whatever you want. The things you'll need for this are a jar or a container or anything with a sealable lid really. Some sugar, however much you think you might need. Food coloring, any color you want. I'm using red and green since I'll be making some Dutch butter cookies and I'll be using the colored sugar to sprinkle on them. And I will be posting a video on how to make the Dutch butter cookies in the near future. Alright, let's dye some sugar. Step 1. Take your container and put the amount of sugar you want to use. Step 2. Put at least 10 drops of the food coloring of your choice in your container. Step 3. Seal your container with the lid. Make sure it's on there tight. Step 4. Shake to your heart's content and make sure that the sugar is well mixed in with the food coloring. Step 5. Take the lid off your container and pour the sugar out onto a plate of your choice, a real plate or paper plate. I use paper because it's easier and you can just throw it away. And then you want to spread it out so it can dry. You also want to make sure that there's no lumps of food coloring and sugar left. And if you have a few of those, which you probably will, I did, you just want to break them apart with your fingers and make sure it's all mixed in. And the last step is to enjoy and have fun creating whatever you want using your colored sugar you just made. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Till next time, Jamie's kitchen is closed.